nice.
I know, that's the African side of me.
Black people can jump. Oh, big hole. I just don't know what any of this used to be, right?
So it looks like some kind of a furnace down there. It's some kind of production, a little warehouse. Yeah, they probably had purchased the machines. They obviously scrapped the machines.
Oh yeah,
Whoa,
this is what I came for.
Oh,
This doesn't smell bad.
it doesn't.
It smells kind of cool, actually.
It smells like a piano.
That's the asbestos that you're walking on. There's water damage only in the spots where the skylights leaked. The floor is solid. Just avoid the water spots. You can see some spots where the floor is buckling. Measuring tape. Dude, look at all these light bulbs. Do you think that's what they manufactured here? Come here and look at all these light bulbs and tell me you don't think that's what they were doing here.
I think they just have utilities, and it's all been spewed on the floor.
Look at them all. Boxes.
Oh, like Christmas lights.
That's like nice. You know how much money this original hardwood would be worth if it was salvageable?
Yeah, the hardwood floor is beautiful. It's still beautiful. That's why I think maybe this is more than just a factory. Maybe it used to be a concert hall.
No.
No, this would be a great concert hall. Oh, look. Looks like someone's been, someone's office. There's like building material over here.
Church pews?
Yeah, I'm just looking at all this stuff. And then there's building materials that said somebody, maybe that's leftover, or maybe somebody wants to clean this place up and do something with it.
Alright, I'll give you the church pews are an interesting aspect of this place. You think the cops are outside waiting for us?
No. I think this place used to be like maybe like a, it's like, I don't know. The floors, why would they put so much effort into these floors if it was just a factory?
That's how old factories
They
used to
were
just
all
build.
like that.
It's just how it was.
There's quality. Why are we
Oh,
missing
yeah.
so much quality these days? It's disgusting.
For the price, man.
It's sad.
You know how much these floors cost now to do? Why would you do that when you could just laminate, cement?
I guess this is old stuff. These like panels.
Cubicles to build offices. I wonder if I can see my car from here and see if the cops show up. I guess if they're already here, it makes no difference if I go out right now.
This place is cool. Up here it's cool.
These windows are broken, which is super hard to do with these glass.
A gun. Shoot them out. Right?
Now you can listen to the concert music from the pub.
No, that's what's sweet.
Oh, dude, this door is just open. So this would be the entry place, other than like, you know, where we already were.
Oh, maybe it was one of these. Maybe it was a, you see this?
A loom factory? I don't know what they'd make. Spinning room. Clothing?
It was a clothing factory.
And yeah, when's the last time anything was made in America with clothes?
With what?
No clothes are made in America anymore. They're all in like China, Vietnam, Cambodia.
Why is the floor look more janky over there?
You see the water? I mean, where there's no roof, there's going to be water damage on the floor. So it is more janky the closer you are to this water damage. There's another section, but it goes straight down. This is the only thing stopping you from walking out and dying.
Really?
Maybe there's stairs behind this door. No, there's no stairs. It just goes down.
That's crazy.
So don't go out that door, you'll die. At least this is the most stable floor place we've been in a long time. As far as floors go, this is sturdy.
Yeah.
Because there's subfloor underneath this hardwood. It's not just hardwood and then nothing. But yeah, this place is huge. And we're only looking at like a third of it. You've got another half that way.
Oh, God. It's getting dark over here. It's smellier, question mark? Is there a little walk there? What's it called? Catwalk?
Yeah, can you hold this door?
Yeah.
So I don't have to worry about it swinging in on me.
Just don't
There's
step
a
on it.
landing and stairs.
Oh, I wouldn't trust it without a flashlight.
Right? Like I can't see anything. Oh. What am I even thinking?
Cell phone light, yeah.
Alright.
You had a chance to charge.
I did charge. But my flashlight on my phone is only so good.
Oh,
Right, those are
may
people.
Not be the only people. It looks like metal.
Think it's safe?
Well, take a look at the whole room. Can you even see it? It's all empty. That's it. It's not worth going now.
But I've already started.
For what? I'm not going.
You're not coming?
Hell fucking no.
You can't leave me alone.
I can't see shit.
Follow the light.
It's just an empty room.
Wait. There's a second floor. Hey, come on, come down. Yeah. You know that room that we first went in downstairs? It comes up right here. There's other exits. We don't have to worry about getting trapped in this room. Come on. You're fine, probably. Also look behind me in case I get killed.
I'm holding your hand.
Alright, do you see? Like, that's the smelly sewage room that we came in from.
Yeah.
With all those boxes.
And the puddle.
I mean, this place is huge. Like, I know I can see things, but the camera's not picking up anything. So stay close. Stop pulling on me. Get out of here with that. I gotta check out the stuff. Oh, sick. The night vision only goes like so many feet. What? Stop it. Stop it. This is definitely the scariest place we've been, though. Don't fall through the floor. It's so scary because it's just so, like, big and dark. This is awesome. Oh. Oh, so that's that door. Okay. Right there. That you would just fall off and die from. So, do you remember that movie, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre? Because we're in Texas. That's that one room. The first room we went in?
It's pretty cool with the background music. This is the coolest place.
This one? This room?
Yeah, this room is cool. The room upstairs is my favorite. I think it's
Just 'cause it's
nice.
brighter?
It's almost a little creepy, but comforting, the glow music. And the bar is beautiful.
I think that's creepier because then you like, the bar is there, but they couldn't save us.
Yeah.
The loud music playing will drown out our screams of help. And so like, you know, if this was a horror movie, you would pan over to us. It's like, what is that? You'd pan over to us, like trying not to get murdered. And then you'd pan over to like the people playing the music.
I've seen a horror movie.
You'd hear like the background like of our screams, but it wouldn't actually go over the music. What about this room?
There's the staircase.
This is the office. That's the creepiest. How much you trust that staircase?
It looks pretty sturdy, honestly. There's no water damage. That board is not really trustworthy, but it's good. Pretty good. The hell is it? It's just like an attic. And I don't think it's accessible.
Asbestos? What?
Accessible? Not accessible?
Okay, I'm gonna take a look.
You sure? Not worth it, was it?
Now let's get out of here. Going down is so much harder.
You need to step into my office to speak about your performance here at the factory. Yeah,
Stay out.
not an auction.
How are you gonna auction everything except for that room? Another entry point.
Nice.
Oh, there's another building over there. I guess we're getting further away from our car though, dude. Like it's on the other side and I can't monitor it from over here.
It's back there.